Okay, for our next game, we're going to play a game called Chinese Whispers, which we have done before. So the first thing that needs to happen is Lisa and Michal are going to exit the room, and we're going to be left with James. Now, James, we are going to give James some information, which I will get off you in a moment. Then the ladies are going to come in one by one, and James is going to have to communicate that information to them one by one until they understand what he means. But the only way we can communicate is through the ancient language of gobbledigook and mime. Like this. So when Michal thinks she has got the three things, so a location, a profession, and an object, she will kill James with the object, and then we'll move on to Lisa. So what I need you to do, that's pretty much everything. I need a location.
Church.
Supermarket, Egypt. Church, was that church? I like a church, we'll take a church. Sorry? Church, too late, sorry, we're checking church. Right. A profession, not related to the church.
Oh! Please. Please.
You're not getting anything else. So, Ghostbuster, church, and we need an object, completely unrelated to either of those.
A mace.
Mace, you think maybe too vague for some people. Anything else?
Baby.
Yeah.
Object. A baby.
That counts. That counts.
Baby. Sledgehammer. You okay with Sledgehammer?
I liked Baby, but you gave me Ghostbusters, so.
I did. Right, yeah, we'll go with church, Ghostbusters, and Sledgehammer. Okay, so what I need to do is just ask you to shout with me. So for Michal,
Yeah, let's get Michal.
Yeah. 1, 2, 3, Michal! He's coming.
Church.
Hey!
But just.
Uh-oh. Dus is
occupation.
Hello. Wow!
No.
Yeah. Uh-huh.
Timber. Not again.
Yeah, come.
No.
No. Is this is it yeah?
What the f?
Occupation? Okay. La 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 la. Hey! La 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 la. Hey! 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 Oh! La la la. Who's that? La la la. Hey! Hey! Samuel! Cold. What you gonna do? What you gonna do? Ring, 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 ring. La la la, la la la, la 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 la. Me, yeah, you know your bird. Ha! Okay. Object. Is there? down,
sure?
all right?
Yes, okay, yes.
So, what do you think the location was?
Church.
Church? Pretty
Catholic
good,
church.
What do you think the profession was?
Like Ghostbusters?
You say like Ghostbusters.
What I mean is Ghostbusters. Yeah.
Not quite sure about the last one. How do you feel about that?
A Sledgehammer?
I didn't know that such a thing exists. What is that?
Well, you got it across pretty well.
Yeah.
What did you think it was?
Just
It's
like
some kind of big hitty thing.
a big metal bat.
Well, we managed. We made it.
Anyway, well done. Thank you very much.
Thanks for watching our video right to the end. Please do click like if you, well, liked it, and don't forget to subscribe below to get more chuckles as soon as we release them. See you next time.